Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. See, beta, this is today's topic on the screen shared with you. Please read the introduction part, then I'll start explaining. Today, I think festival mode. Nobody is interested to study.
Ma'am, I think they don't know that they have to join the meeting. Ma'am, you haven't shared the link.
Beta link is always the same.
Yes, ma'am, but I think that.
Just read by the time others also join, then I'll continue. Read this, beta. Read quickly, then I'll explain today. This is the next topic for today. I'll keep
Good
scrolling down to
afternoon,
get
ma'am.
an idea. Good afternoon, children. I'll keep scrolling down. I thought festival mood, nobody is wanting to study. See, Okay. Now the second part, beta. Let's read quickly and then understand. A very small topic I have taken today. Very small. Okay, now next part. And then we'll start the explanation part very quickly. Let me see how much you can understand just by reading. See quickly, beta, then I'll start explaining. Little bit idea you'll get what it is. Now the last part of today, and then we'll start the explanation. Yes, beta, this is the last slide. See it once. Then let's discuss.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning.
Good morning, बच्चे. कुछ समझ आ रहा है या कुछ नहीं आ रहा? Tell me honestly. Whatever I'm showing you, ये सब देख के, are you able to understand a bit or nothing? Honestly,
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am.
Otherwise, able to understand?
Yes.
ma'am.
Chaliye, let's see then. Continue for another 2-3 minutes, then I'll explain. I don't want you to spoon feed you, beta, because this time the board pattern we have 10 questions which are based on case studies in biology. Like you will have to read yourself, it's a case study, and interpret yourself what it is. So side by side, I want you to prepare for that also. Last 1 minute, beta. Let's start now. Now let's start, okay? What were you reading about?
Enzymes.
Enzymes.
Enzymes. Are they macromolecules or they are micromolecules?
Micromolecules.
What else you read, beta? Let me ask you, what did you interpret? Then I'll continue. Whatever bit you could understand one by one, tell me. I gave you about 5 to 7 minutes to read it. Come on, there's nothing. Even if it is wrong, it's okay. You said you're able to understand, but what but? Very good. You're trying.
Earlier they were known as ferments, but later uh, they are known as enzymes.
Okay. Why were they called as ferments? Good that you read that part. Why were they called as ferments?
Because
Chalo,
they were
anyways.
doing fermentation.
Yes, beta. Very good. So let's start very quickly now. It's a very small topic I have taken today. In time, hundreds of years have passed. The discovery now. There have been many years it was discovered. See, the experiment performed by Louis Pasteur. Okay, enzymes were first discovered in an experiment which was performed by Louis Pasteur. What did Louis Pasteur found? He found certain microbes which are responsible for fermentation. He found that there are certain microbes which are responsible for the process of fermentation. So he called them as ferments. And the same ferments later now we call them as enzymes. So if you see, basically the first person to identify them was Louis Pasteur only. He was doing an experiment and he found there are certain microbes that cause the process of fermentation. What did he call them as?
Ferments.
Ferments.
Very good. Now we call them as enzymes. So this is the first person associated. I've underlined there are 3 people. You need to remember their names whenever we talk about enzymes. The first is Louis Pasteur. Second now, Edward Buckner. He identified and isolated them from yeast. Okay. And he was the first one to identify them in which substance? Yeast. So if you look at the literal meaning of the word enzyme, it means in yeast. What is the meaning of the word enzyme?
In yeast.
In yeast.
And it was Edward Buckner who first identified them in yeast only. So he called them as enzyme. Enzyme. N means in and zyme is yeast, beta. So in yeast, if you break this word enzyme, En actually means in enzyme is your yeast. So in yeast. But this term was given by Kohne. This term actually, the word which we use now, enzyme, was first used by whom? It was used by Kohne. Now, we have three people who are associated with the discovery and naming of enzymes. First is who?
Louis Pasteur.
Louis
Pasteur.
Pasture.
We saw that there are certain microbes which are responsible for fermentation. So what did he call them as?
Ferment.
Later, Edward Buckner, he was doing an experiment in yeast and he isolated them. See, he just saw. This person, Louis Pasteur, he just saw them, but he did not isolate them. Who was the first to isolate them?
Edward Buckner.
Edward
Yes, it was Edward Buckner. And who was the person who coined the term?
Kohne.
Very good, it is Kohne. Fine, beta. Let's go down now. What does the word enzyme, literal meaning of the word enzyme mean?
In
yeast.
yeast.
And it is called so because it was first isolated from yeast only. We have all done that enzymes are biocatalysts which increase or decrease the rate of a reaction. Normally, earlier it was believed that enzymes only increase the rate of a reaction, but this is not the correct definition. The right definition is they can both increase and decrease the rate of a reaction. Why are they called biocatalysts? Because they work like catalyst in chemistry. They can both increase as well as decrease the rate of a reaction. Now, with the help of an example, I'll try and explain it to you that how much they can increase the rate of a reaction. I've taken a very simple example. See, beta, carbon dioxide plus water gives you this acid. What is the name of this acid?
Carbonic acid.
In the absence of enzyme, if you carry out this reaction in the absence of enzyme, you will get 200 molecules of carbonic acid in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you will get how many molecules if there is no enzyme used?
200 moles.
200 moles.
Yes, 200 molecules we are going to get of carbonic acid in 1 hour. Now we'll see what can be done if you use an enzyme. We have used an enzyme over here. See the name of the enzyme? It's put in a big circle for you. This is carbonic anhydrase. Name the enzyme which I am using.
Carbonic anhydrase.
And now I will get 6 lakh molecules in 1 second. How many molecules I was getting in 1 hour?
200 molecules.
200 in 1 hour, children. And now I'm getting 6 lakh in how much time?
1 second.
1 second. So you can see the rate of amplification, how much it can enhance the rate of a reaction. This enzyme that I mentioned about is carbonic anhydrase. This is considered to be the fastest enzyme. That is why I took this reaction and this enzyme for you to understand. This is one of the fastest enzymes that we have. It increases the rate of a reaction many fold times. 200 molecules per hour to 6 lakh molecules per second. You can well imagine how much it is amplifying the rate of a reaction. So can you give me the name of this enzyme very quickly?
Carbonic anhydrase.
Now we have understood one thing very quickly, that if there is an enzyme, it can certainly enhance the rate of a reaction. But how it can do this, that is what I'm going to explain it to you now. The role of an enzyme in enhancement in the rate of a reaction, that we are going to discuss beta. Dekho. For any reaction to occur, the substrate should have some minimum amount of energy. Remember this. For any reaction to occur, the substrate should have what? A minimum amount of energy. Why it should have that minimum amount of energy? Because if the particles will not have energy, they will not come closer to each other and bond formation will not take place. तो कोई भी reaction अगर होना है, then substrate should have some minimum amount of energy. And beta ये energy क्यों चाहिए होती है? So that particles can come closer. If they'll come closer, तो क्या बनेंगे? Bond formation हो जाएगा. I'll try to explain this to you again. See, this is your substrate molecules. If you can see, supposing this is just imaginary, huh? Iska energy value is 1, here it is 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. These are all substrate molecules. And this is the amount of energy each of the molecule has. Supposing the minimum energy to participate in a reaction is 5. This is just to explain it to you. The minimum energy needed for a molecule to participate in a certain reaction is 5. So which molecules will participate, beta, out of all these? सिर्फ वही तो participate करेंगे which have an energy level of 5 or more than 5. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means इन सारे molecules में से सिर्फ ये वाले participate करेंगे reaction में. 5, 6, 7, 8. Because minimum energy needed to participate in that reaction was how much?
5.
5.
And the molecules, बस वही जा पाएंगे those which have an energy of 5 or more than 5, because only these molecules have the energy that they'll come closer and they will form bonds. So these 4 will convert to products because they will participate in the reaction. And अगर reactants reaction में participate करेंगे, then automatically what is produced is the product. So out of all those molecules of the substrate, how many are being converted to product?
4.
4.
Only 4.
4.
Only 4 are being converted to product. Other molecules with less energy will not participate because they do not have the minimum energy, which is known as activation energy. That minimum energy which a particle should have so that they can come closer, form bonds, is known as activation energy. अभी जो हमने एग्जाम्पल किया, हमने एक एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी का एक स्पेसिफिक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू अज्यूम कर लिया था, एंड दैट वाज 5 beta. Okay, for different reactions it is different. So here I had assumed the minimum energy to be 5. So कौन से वाले molecules have the minimum activation energy? 5, 6, 7, 8. They will be able to participate. So they will convert into products. What about the others? वो जो ऊपर वाले थे बेटा 1, 2, 3, 4 वाले, these ones, will they participate?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They will participate.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So out of 8 molecules, how many converted to product?
4.
4.
Only 4.
4.
Others will not participate in the reaction because they are not able to come closer. They will not form bonds. The reason is they do not have the activation energy. But if enzyme is added, same substrate molecule में, now I'll show you, अगर मैं एक enzyme add कर देती हूँ तो कैसे scene change हो जाएगा. Now let me show you very quickly what will happen if there is an enzyme. Okay, see this. Can you see this E written over here? If this is my enzyme. If enzyme is added, this enzyme becomes the place where all the molecules can attach. Now, if I have added an enzyme, this enzyme will become a site. It will become a place where all molecules can attach. All of them will come and attach. There is some kind of chemical attraction or chemical coordination that even those particles which could not come closer to each other, they will come and attach to the enzyme. अब बेटा अगर सब लोग एंजाइम के ऊपर आके अटैच होंगे तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल कम क्लोजर टू ईच अदर. ठीक है, देखो ये वाला पार्ट. दिस इज योर एंजाइम एंड इफ यू कैन सी 1 वाला, 2 वाला, 7, 8, 5, 6 सब एंजाइम में अटैच हो जाएंगे. इवन द लो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन अटैच टू द एंजाइम because they are all attaching to the same enzyme. Obviously they have come closer to each other. Because they have come closer to each other, so even those molecules which had less energy can now form bonds. So basically enzyme ने क्या काम किया बेटा? It lowered your activation energy. It lowered your activation energy from 5. यहाँ पे सबसे छोटी energy level I have shown is what? 2. 2 वाला भी attach हो रहा है बेटा enzyme पे. So what is the main work which your enzyme has done? It has lowered your activation energy from 5 to 2. पहले कितने molecules products बन रहे थे?
4.
4.
And कौन से वाले participate नहीं कर पा रहे थे? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now which 3 more can participate in a reaction?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, and
2,
4.
3, 4.
Very good, because your activation energy from 5 has fallen down to
2.
how much? To 2. How did this happen? हमने क्या add किया बेटा?
Enzyme.
We simply added an enzyme. An enzyme has such kind of a chemical attraction, or you could say chemical coordination with all the molecules, that they'll all come closer and they will attach to the enzyme. Now when they'll come in closer and attach to the enzyme, तो वो automatically एक दूसरे के भी close आ गए. If you see in the figure that I have drawn, they come closer to each other also. So will they form bonds now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the problem earlier?
Lack of activation energy.
The activation energy was more
Because of which they were not able to come
close to each other.
Closer.
close to each other. And now that problem is sorted out. How is the problem sorted out? Because all of them went and attached themselves to what?
Enzyme.
Enzyme.
So the main function of enzyme was that it has lowered down the activation energy from 5 to 2. बेटा अब और ज्यादा molecules participate करेंगे reaction में and product और ज्यादा बनेगा. So the lower activation energy from 5 to 2. Even the molecules with 2 or 3 will now participate in the reaction. So the product will be more. That is, the rate of reaction is enhanced because enzymes activation energy is lowered down now. This part is okay? Now with the help of a graph, I'm trying to explain this to you, though a very untidy one. See, this on the y-axis is showing the energy of the particles which participate in the reaction. Okay, height pe jayenge to its potential energy. So this is the energy of the particles which are participating in a reaction, and this is the time of the reaction process. On the x-axis, I'm showing you the time of the reaction process, and on the left-hand side, y-axis pe chalte hain beta. This is your what? This is energy. Okay, now let's see this. Can you see this high hill? This high hill, upar wala, bada wala. What do you feel? This is activation energy. Okay, and ये जो dot dot वाला hill है, this is also activation energy. Can you guess and tell me ये बड़ा वाला जो hill है, ये presence of enzyme है या absence of enzyme है?
Absence of
Absence
enzyme.
of enzyme.
Absence of enzyme.
Very good. And the dotted one जो थोड़ा low height वाला hill है, this shows what?
Presence of
Presence
enzyme.
of
Presence of
enzyme.
enzyme.
तो ये पूरी बड़ी वाली arrow यहाँ से, if this is my boundary, this is the minimum energy, and यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक ये पूरा बड़ा वाला hill, this is activation energy in the absence of enzyme. इतनी ज़्यादा energy चाहिए. Okay, and if you see this part, ये छोटा वाला hill, this is what? This is the energy, activation energy in the presence of enzyme. So is the activation energy increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
This is decreasing. And this is decreasing in the presence of the enzyme. Beta, remember when the enzyme is not present, first what happens is your substrate enzyme is not present, we've done. देखो process कैसे चलता है आगे. First your substrate attaches to the enzyme and we get a complex which is known as the substrate enzyme complex. This is not the final stage. ये एक transition stage होती है. Product बनने से पहले ये stage आती है. Where your enzyme combines with the substrate and we form a complex. What is that complex called as?
Substrate enzyme complex.
Yes, substrate enzyme complex. And then this is just a transition one. ये पहले बनता, like you're preparing tea supposing. तो पहले आपने sugar and tea leaves add कर दिया water में, तो tea तो नहीं बना till you add milk. But वो बीच का जो एक part है, जो बीच में बनता जरूर है, but वो stable part नहीं है, that is exactly substrate enzyme complex. And finally, like milk add करने के बाद tea बन जाता है, here the final product is going to be, your products will be formed. Beta, when your product will be formed, this enzyme will be separated. This enzyme separates as soon as the product is formed, and the same enzyme can again be used for another reaction. So this happens, ये देखो, substrate plus enzyme forms a substrate enzyme complex, which later forms a product, and then what is formed in the enzyme. अच्छा, अगर ये enzyme हम लोग क्या करते हैं? If enzyme is present, तो क्या change आया हमारा? Less energy is required and activation energy क्या हो जाती है? Less or more?
Less.
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 So what is the main function? What is the main function of your enzyme? It lowers
Lower
down
activation
Towards
energy.
the activation energy.
lower down your activation energy. Once you understand these concepts, tomorrow I'll take in more detail how enzymes act. पहले तो basic चीजें, let me do it very quickly with you again. From the beginning, I took up a very small topic today. Enzymes, they were discovered hundreds of years back. Who was the first person associated with this?
Louis Pasteur.
Louis
Louis
Pasteur.
Pasteur.
Louis Pasteur.
What did he discover? What did Louis Pasteur discover?
Microbes. Microbes.
Microbes. Beta, remember the word discover and isolate. He just discovered that there are some microbes which lead to the process of what?
Fermentation.
Fermentation.
So what did he call them?
Ferments.
Ferments.
He called them as ferments or fermentors also. In some books you will find this word. Then later there was another person. He was doing some experiment with yeast. Okay, and he also isolated such kind of substances which lead to some changes in the reaction in a yeast. What does the word enzyme literally mean?
In yeast.
In yeast.
In yeast. If you break the word, very good. If you break the word enzyme, then ENN and zyme. Zyme is actually yeast. So enzyme means in yeast. And who was the person who coined this term enzyme?
Kuhne.
Kuhne.
Kuhne coined the term. Edward Buckner isolated it from the word that is enzyme he has coined. Enzymes are known as biocatalysts, which can increase the reaction, decrease the reaction, or they can do both.
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 Earlier it was believed, very good. Earlier it was believed better that they can only increase or enhance the rate of a reaction. Later it was concluded that no, they can do both. They can increase also, they can decrease also the rate of a reaction. So one thing becomes very clear to us that enzymes actually change the rate of a reaction. Now we need to understand how they do it. कल आपको और clear समझ में आएगा. I've given you an example where carbon dioxide was combining with water. And which molecule was being formed?
H2CO3. Carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid.
Carbonic acid.
So if I do not use an enzyme, then in 1 hour, I was getting how many molecules of carbonic acid?
200
Molecules.
200 molecules. And then I'm going to use an enzyme. Which is the enzyme?
Carbonic
Carbonic
anhydrase.
anhydrase.
Carbonic anhydrase.
So when I use the enzyme carbonic hydrase, I told you something special about carbonic hydrase. What is it, Peter?
It is the
Fastest
fastest.
molecule
The
for
fastest
Fastest enzyme.
Okay. Now tell me, if this is the fastest enzyme, what change it brought in the reaction?
6 lakh per second.
It will increase
In 1 minute.
formation.
Look at the difference. Earlier we had 200 in 1 hour, and now we are getting how many in 1 second?
6 lakh.
So can you guess? I think it's even difficult to imagine that how much the rate of a reaction has changed or how much the rate of a reaction is enhanced. Is it okay? Now what is the next thing? We have very clearly understood that they change the rate of a reaction. Now we are going to understand how they change the rate of a reaction. Okay. We talked about the word activation energy. What is activation energy?
The minimum amount of energy to form a bond.
Yes, very good. Now this word is activation energy. What are we going to study? Activation energy. For any reaction to occur, the substrate should have a minimum amount of energy. And why is that energy needed? This energy helps in bond formation. See, these are all molecules of substrate. They all have some energy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. This is all energy. So this is the energy they have. Now, minimum energy to participate we took away was 5. So only which molecules were able to participate in the reaction which had energy equal to 5 or more than 5. So this 5 value was with what energy? What is that value we call it as?
Activation energy.
Activation energy.
Activation energy. So out of these 8 we had over here, how many could participate in the reaction?
4.
4.
4.
The ones which had a value equal to 5 or more than 5. And those whose values were less, they could not participate. So how many molecules will participate in the reaction and how many will be converted into products?
4.
4.
4.
Obviously, the rate of reaction is very slow. Only 4 molecules are participating and product भी कम बनेगा because it is only 4. Now we are going to see what change will come if we add an enzyme. If you see with the help of a figure, it will be easier for you to understand. I'm scrolling down. See this. This is your enzyme. As soon as we add an enzyme, then all the molecules get a place. If this enzyme becomes the place where all the molecules can come and attach. अच्छा ये बताइए बेटा, even those which have less activation energy, can they come and attach?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. The chemical
Yes,
attraction
ma'am.
is such as this that they will come and attract. अच्छा उससे फायदा क्या हो रहा है? Why are we attaching them all on the enzyme?
To increase amount
To
of
increase the
product.
rate of reaction.
नहीं, how will it increase? अगर सबके सब enzyme में bind करते हैं, how will it increase बेटा?
Lower activation energy.
It will decrease the
It
activation
will decrease
energy.
It will
activation
decrease the-
energy.
बेटा my question is how? ऐसा क्या हो गया when they bind it to enzyme कि वो reaction में participate करने लग गए?
Ma'am, it will decrease their
Once they come
activation
close to
energy. That's why.
Ma'am, rate of activation energy will be low.
activation energy will be low and all the molecules will combine to enzymes and they will
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to they will come
बेटा,
close to each
अगर
other
आप
and form
देखो,
bond.
very clear, all of you have given the perfect answers because when they combine to the enzyme, they have come already very close to each other. Okay, they have already come very close to each other. Distance बहुत कम हो गया है, तो bond formation बहुत easily हो जाएगा. And bond formation, hardly any energy is required. So all of them will participate in the bond formation. They will all participate in the reaction. Energy, activation energy is automatically lowered down. So we have tried to explain this again, that even those which had 2 or 3 values will participate in the reaction. So the product will be more. That means the rate of the reaction will be enhanced because enzymes lower down which energy?
Activation energy.
Activation
energy.
We have tried to understand this with the help of a graph. This is